That movie sucked ass.
What do you mean?
Literally every movie is about the multiverse. Fucking Flash, Ant-Man, and Cocaine Bear.
Okay.
I just don't get what all the hype is about. It's just family drama shit. It's not that big of a deal. Just get over it.
I thought it was kind of sweet. It reminded me of my own.
And oh my god, don't get me started about that one guy. What was he, her fucking husband or some shit?
Dude, just shut the fuck up. You complain about everything. You can't just enjoy something for once.
You know what? I don't need this shit.
I don't need this shit. Appreciate you taking me out for a drive. Yeah, my aunt has been really sick recently. I'm kind of worried about her. Like, what if worse comes to worse?
Hey man, what's up?
What you up to?
Oh, nothing.
You wanna hang out later?
Doctor said things aren't looking too good. She's maybe got a day, tops. I wish I could go see her, but she's all the way across the fucking country.
Yeah, shit sucks. They cut my hours at work. Barely even afford gas, especially with the prices going up. Fuck. Shit's rough these days.